Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious street style veg roll. This is a typical mixed veg paneer roll and this tastes super amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first to make the dough, in a bowl take 1 cup of maida, half cup of atta, half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Give everything a mix and then gradually add water and knead into a soft dough. After the dough is formed, cover and rest for 30 minutes. I have mistakenly lost the footage. So for the stuffing, in a kadai heat 1 teaspoon of oil and add few paneer pieces and shallow fry till golden brown. Take them out on a plate. Now in the same pan add 2 chopped green chillies, thin sliced onion, carrot, cabbage and capsicum. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. We want the vegetables to be slightly crunchy, so do not overcook them. So for flavorings, add half teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix everything well. Finally add some salt and black pepper powder. I have added half teaspoon of each and mix well. Finally add the paneer pieces and give it a mix. And our delicious stuffing is ready. Our dough is also well rested now. Knead it for a minute. Take a portion of the dough and make a ball. Sprinkle a little bit of flour. Roll it into a semi-thick paratha. Now place it on a hot tawa. After bubbles appear, flip and cook from both sides. Apply oil and cook it well. Cook it like you cook a regular paratha. So our paratha is well cooked now. Take it out on a plate. Add 1 teaspoon of ketchup and 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. Spread all over the paratha. Then add generous amount of stuffing, thin slices of onion and sprinkle some chaat masala. Roll it and our delicious veg roll is ready now. So this roll tastes just like street style veg rolls and this just takes no time to make and is super amazing to have as a snack. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.